Okay, do Impossible Burgers really taste like beef burgers? We're going to find out. This is not going to be scientific because the sample size is relatively small. Just my sister, one person. Better give you some backstory. I'm 64, my sister's 63, a year younger than me, and when she was 19, she got in a horrible car accident. She was in a coma for several months, and the end result was some permanent brain damage, and her body was crushed. So she became an adult dependent. For the next 20 years, she lived with our mother until mom passed. For the following 19 years, she lived with our father until dad's Alzheimer's became too advanced. And for the last 2+ years, she's lived with me. I'm the oldest son, oldest brother. The reason I share that with you is because through those years of getting her way, her head, besides having brain damage, also became as hard as granite. And she is just stuck in her way. She does not believe a meal is a meal unless it has meat. And so what a better judge to determine the validity of, at least the flavor of Impossible meat. So I'm going to be putting together just a regular burger meal. I'll do some French fries and, you know, the usual stuff. And secretively, I'm going to video her and get her result. We'll see what happens. Okay, so first I cut up some potatoes with the mandolin for the twice fried French fries. Then I sliced some tomatoes for the hamburgers and some onion. And I prepped the lettuce. I buttered and toasted the buns, of course. And then I prepared the actual burger patties themselves. Now, this is the first time I'm actually using Impossible meat, so I'm going to keep it pretty simple. The only thing I'm going to add is a little McCormick's Montreal steak seasoning. It comes with pepper and salt and garlic and other good stuff. And then I cooked up the burgers. Jeez, big enough bite? I guess not. So, how's it taste? Is it perfect? Good. I know I put a little bit of ketchup on it. I know you don't like ketchup on your burger. But other than that, it tastes good?
Yeah.
And the fries are fabulous?
Yeah.
Oh God, yes they are.
Yeah.
Very good.
God, that was fabulous. Like the fries. The burger's good? Finger licking good. Well, there you have it. Thumbs up and no complaints. It's a privilege sharing this with you. If you found some value, shoot me a like, and thanks for watching.